In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Funding Pips account to Metatrader 5 quickly and easily. Whether you're setting up your account for the very first time, or you simply want to link everything properly so you can start trading without confusion, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Metatrader 5 software on your laptop and go to the top left corner of the screen. Once you're there, look for the option labeled File. Click on it, and then click on Open an Account. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the search bar inside the new window that appears. Type in Funding Pips and then press the button that says Find Your Company. You'll see several options pop up, but the one you need to select is Funding Pips Corp, not Funding Pips Corp 2. Choosing the correct one ensures you connect to the official server without any issues. After selecting it, click on Next. Now, you'll see a section that helps you connect your existing Funding Pips trading account. The software will show you the available server, usually the main Funding Pips server, so select that. Then enter your login credentials exactly as they were given to you, your login ID, your trading password, and make sure everything is typed correctly. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. Metatrader is designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make everything smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure the credentials you enter match the ones provided by Funding Pips, double-check your password for uppercase or lowercase letters, and confirm you've selected the correct server. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary errors or connection failures. Once you've completed these steps, go ahead and click on Finish. After that, you should be able to log in and start monitoring your charts, placing trades, and managing your Funding Pips account right inside Metatrader 5 without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to note down your server and login details somewhere safe. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your information secure. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to connect your Funding Pips account to Metatrader 5 easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?